The reason was, I think, not to do with the brand or the car, because I hadn't seen the car, but the concept itself was a little alien, that a car would come from outside the country. So far, I think in India we'd had indigenous cars. We had not, I think the only cars which one saw, which were not from our country, were with diplomats or maybe some internationally aligned companies from India. So the whole concept was new, that how could a car come from a different territory or outside a country and set up base here, and we will have a new car. It didn't seem a plausible thing. Of course, that's because of my lack of knowledge of not knowing that this kind of system had opened up vis-a-vis our government, or these kind of businesses were going to be opened up in the country. So I think initially it was, and of course I met people who were, there was only Mr. Subbu, who had come with the whole team from Korea, and it just seemed a little alien and strange that there will be a car which is not Indian to start off with, and how will it set it up here, how will it be brought. I mean, the whole idea now seems okay, but I think 8-10 years ago, to think how is a whole car brought into India and hundreds and thousands of cars brought into India was a little strange and alien. So I didn't refuse it, but I was a little wary, and I didn't know whether it's going to take off or not.